Next, we are going to see second example of anonymous object in which we are in this class we are going to use constructors. So here in this package, this is our class. It's our main class. We are naming it as test2, and so this is our test2 class, which is main class, and here class student, and within this class I'm giving string name, the first instance variable, integer roll number, the second instance variable, and integer age. Now here we are going to create constructor. So it's student. Here I'm giving string n, comma, integer r, and for third instance variable here we are giving integer a. These are three local variables of this constructor, and here we are saying name equals to n, roll number equals to r, and age equals to, we are giving a. So we have assigned value to our instance variable, and here I'm creating one method, void show. Within this method we are going to display all these values. So system.out.println within double quotes name equals to, we have taken plus sign, and for name we have taken variable name, again plus sign, within double quotes we have to bring it to next line, so I'm giving backslash n, age equals to, again plus, for age we have taken age only, and again we have to start double quotes backslash n for next line, and then is roll number. For that we have taken roll number variable. This way we are going to print value of name, age, and roll number. Save it. Now here we have to create anonymous object for this. Normally we create object like this. Student S1 equals to new student. S1 is our object with the, and after that we need to put value for all these variables. So generally we do like this. Student S1 is going to be our object equals to new student, and here we have to pass value because it's not default. So for name here I'm giving ABC, comma, for roll number I'm giving 1, and for age I'm giving 15. Generally we give value like this. Then s1 dot, we used to call our method show. This is going to display all the values. So here it is displayed name equals to this, age, and roll number. Now to create anonymous object, we don't need to do this. Here we have to give new, then class name, then here it is not a default constructor, it's not empty, so we have to provide value for all these things. Whatever we have provided here we can provide here. So here within double quotes I'm giving comma. For second value is for roll number, so I'm giving roll number 1, and next is age. Here I'm giving 15. Dot show. Save it. Is going to give us same answer. Now here, if we have created one more constructor like this, and here we are not taking all the values, here we are taking name only, string, and here I'm giving name equals to n. Now to call that, it will go like this: new student. Within double quotes, here we have to provide just name. Here we have given def, and again we have to call show method. Save it and run it. So it is going to give answer of both. First we are going to get this name equals to ABC, age 15, roll number is this. Then name equals to def, age and roll number we haven't provided here, so it is showing us 0. So this way we can call our constructors with anonymous objects.